Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Sekhukhune 3. I'm joined by the kid with no sense.
Fighting no one fixes African football, Steve.
That's it. How do you feel, my brother?
You know, I feel scrumptious, you know. I feel like Mbula, I feel scrumptious, Steve. What's over Robert, man?
Kaizer Chiefs. Barubi.
What's over Lam-Tutu, Robert. Steve, we came here, they had an unbeaten run,
Yeah.
and they had a clean sheet,
Yes.
white sheet.
Yes.
Ke a tswa re clean sheet ka se understand pero no understand tsa mjolo but ba lo shapa ka tlapa you ran away from Begela TV and came to football siwo no in a respect the champion in a mojolo type I will explain to you ne re keni ra khumana le ma virgin ra ba shapa ra nka virginity a bona ka 3 rounds in 90 minutes.
Damn, dog.
Within 2 hours, 3 rounds, Ranka V cut, Ravaya. Clean sheet gone, unbeaten run gone.
Yeah.
Bata Emiswaki Boma. Who will stop us? I mean, Pirates failed.
Yeah,
Durban City failed. Kaizer Chiefs failed. Who will stop us? We need Sundowns now.
So what are the ones?
Let me tell you something. Yeah. There's a Newton law, force of gravity, that explains this. What's happening here very, very, very well, Steve. That says the speed that you go up is the very same speed that will come down. Remember, Nabi is a plumber. He did science. He understands that very well.
Yes.
The very same speed they went up is the very same speed they're going down. That guy is only good in terms of online coaching, not physical coaching. Oshabuka the Zoom
meetings.
He's good with Zoom meetings. And I apologize. I want to apologize. I'm a very accountable analyst. I'm very, very accountable analyst here. I apologize. I'm sorry for saying that the two assistant coaches are better than Nabi.
Yeah.
I'm very, very sorry. Because those guys won 4 games without losing. This guy never just won how many games? He lost now and conceded 3 goals. I'm sorry for saying the midfielder. I'm sorry for listening to Junior Kanya and understanding Junior Kanya to call him the midfielder. Yeah. I'm very, very sorry for saying there's no creativity in the midfield. I'm very, very sorry, Steve. I'm very, very sorry for saying Nabi doesn't understand game management. I'm very, very sorry. I apologize. I apologize, Steve. Peterson, let me tell you, Peterson, you know Peterson today, he conceded 3 goals. That Sipochaine, he conceded the goals that Sipochaine conceded this season with only 1 game. Yeah. Got 1 game, fella. Just 1 game. 3 goals, 1 game. It's back to default setting, Baba.
For Kaizer Chiefs.
The problem is that they were never tested. I told you their team has been consistent for 5 games. We have been consistent for 33 games. This is the 34 game we are consistent. Haradali, we are cooking. Let me start by giving credit to our goalkeeper department. Abu Mayoyo, former Orlando Pirates goalkeeper, Steve. Too much quality there in our goalkeeper department. I mean, we have Ronaldo Lina, Steve. The best and the best in terms of education and everything, in terms of quality in the pitch is very good. Bearing out 4-3 clean sheet this season. We have Tressa Nsabata who was keeping today, Steve. A goalkeeper who once left Sekhukhune in 2023 went to Sesco United. The chairman said, no, we still need the guy back. He's back today. Look at the saves that he put out today. Very, very much good, comfortable on the ball, Steve. But tomorrow, in terms of builder from the back, Steve. Again, they always say everything like Mutwadi and but today we're building the ball from the back. Very, very comfortable. We still have a Kazabua from Stellenbosch. Kazabua. Quality also. We still have a young boy, Kholeng Ratisani, a World AFCON winner, under 20 winner, going to the World Cup currently. unfortunately. I mean, that's our goalkeeper department, Steve. It's English, it's a bola mtutu. It's a clean sheet by a bankare, but we win the league. Anyways, let's get into the game, Steve. I mean, we had a very, very good defense, Steve. They always say our team is the retirement team, Steve. Unfortunately, we're not the retirement team. We had two young stars, Steve, at the back. We had Utokolo, who had a very good game today. We had Undlovu, complementing each other at the back, Steve. The communication was on a high note, Steve. There were not too much mistakes at the back. Comfortable on the ball, Steve. We had a quality on the other side, Steve. I always tell you that Jomosona doesn't produce cows, Steve. He always produce quality. The boy going forward, Steve, he can give you a lot. In terms of Ayako Pele, pressing, Steve, Ashapadi, the runs and the cut in, Steve, he can still give you something. Defensive-wise, he can recover, Steve. Unfortunately, there was a goal, the goal that they scored. Fortunately, it's a goal that was questionable, but I mean, really, it was a Bongi Tom, by the way. That goal, the mistake was, unfortunately, he went too much far and was unable to recover in terms of the speed. On the other side, we had a boy, Otepo Masimbi, Steve, a very man who came into the team this season, Steve. He played very well today in terms of the run that he gave. He even gave an assist to Grobler in the early minute of the game. Ashapa Tepin Grobler. Very, very much too much quality in terms of that boy, Otepo Masimbi, Steve. He had a very, very good game. Come at the back, Steve. Going forward, still give you something. I mean, in the midfielder, we had the best, Steve. Two central defensive midfielders, Rabat, I don't need them to pass anywhere. That's why when Serino was pocketed today, he was not seeing anything in that midfielder. Barkman Ndlovu, doing headless run, chicken runs in the midfielder, not doing anything. They were not successful or doing anything because we had a Taba Monare and a Mukize. Too much quality. The experience-wise is Steve. Experience fella. Going forward, we had a Vusvus Ngube. I mean, let's talk about the guy. He has been scoring this season. Wow. I mean, I think now he's standing maybe on 3 goals or 2 goals or something like that. Doing a good job in that number 10, Steve. And I mean, let's talk about Bradley Grobler, Steve. Let's talk about Bradley Grobler. Now he has 122 goals, 7 left to break Non-Vetes record. And Shalulile, please prepare yourself because this guy is coming. He had 2 goals today and a 1 assist, Steve. And let me tell you exclusive information. This guy was rejected by Kaizer Chiefs. The very same team that rejected him is the very same team that he always punish. They said he's old, but he said, I'm not old for scoring 2 goals against you. This guy, let me tell you, exclusive information, medical information now. This guy didn't train past few weeks because of a chest infection. But he's back today punishing, playing like he trained, Steve. These other ones, they trained for too long. He didn't train, that guy, but managed to punish the team. So very, very too much quality in terms of Bradley Grobler, Steve. One of the best strikers we have in the county. One of the best strikers we have in the county after Non-Vetes. Non-Vetes is number 1 and Grobler is the second best, Steve. There's no other striker that can come here and tell us who is the best. Talk about statistically, Steve. Never got an opportunity to play the big team, but that job at smaller teams. Never got an opportunity to play for Bafana because he was playing for small teams, and now he won't get an opportunity to play for Bafana because of his Kukuni. 8 is just the number, Steve. That's the thing. I mean, on that side we had Egeleto Maghala. If I speak about him, they will say nonsense. On the other side we had Barkimang. This guy, Elias Ramallah, who had a good game, Steve, had those kind of progressive passes in the middle, also had a good impact going forward. Abali did secondary assists and everything. Going to Kaizer Chiefs, Steve, I think the problem was just in the middle. The coach chopped too much and changed a lot, Steve. There was no need for him to change. I mean, you take out Umunyana, I don't know if he's injured. He took out Umdu Shabalala. I mean, you take out Kweneka. Sometimes I always tell you that some coaches, that they don't understand this thing of managing players, coach management. They must go and ask Coach Rulani in terms of coach management. In fact, we understand the boy was on fire before he got an injury, but you cannot suddenly bench Zito Kwenika who was on fire and just come up with what are you thinking about Kwenika? What are you saying about Kwenika? By the way, the thing that I will ask Kaizer Chiefs, where is Mayo? Where is Mayo? Where is Cheslet? Chis whatever. Where is Lewam Maboe?
Hey, man.
Where is Ikwaradoro?
Where is Ranga?
Where are they? No, Ranga is in Saudi Arabia. Where are they? No, where are they? Where are they? No, Steve. We are just a small team from Limpopo. We are just a small team from Limpopo. And I told others they were only number 1 for 72 hours because Chiefs didn't want to email us points. That's the thing, Steve. And we don't care about others. us. Remember, Sibo, there's a reply that they gave me. There's a way that I can tell you. The best way to reply to a fool. Silence is the best way to reply to a fool.
Oh, PhD lawyer. A fool.
Asivana.
PhD.
PhD elephant.